I made a 4-minute video. It worked. It got over 1 million views. I made another 4-minute video. It worked again. So should you make 4-minute videos? And what are the big reasons why my videos blew up that you can copy? Let me explain. There is a certain psychology going on when you see a 30-minute video, a 10-minute video, and a 4-minute video. Because if you're stepping in the car for a long drive, you might pick the 30-minute video, right? But if you are about to go to sleep, you probably pick the 4-minute video. But most of the times in the day, you pick the shorter video. At least that's what I would do. This is why I've seen that my own 3-4 minute-ish videos to around 6-7 minute videos got a much higher click-through rate. But there's more. If you know the person and found their previous videos valuable, you're more likely to click and watch their longer video. Now the opposite is also true. If you don't know someone yet, you are less likely to click on a 19-minute video, to click, let alone finish their whole long video. Because whether you have 100 subs, 1,000 subs, or even over 10,000 subs like me, most people don't know you yet. And most of your views come from new viewers, not returning viewers. So it makes sense to make shorter videos to get more returning viewers. Why? Well, because returning viewers almost always have higher click-through rates. And that's not just my belief. I mean, check the stats. Those are the stats on any of my channels. They also have much higher average view durations. And it's so much easier to get a 40% average view percentage on a 4-minute video than it is to get the same on an 8-minute video. And why does that matter? Can't a video blow up with only a 25% average view percentage on an 8-minute video? Well, the honest answer, I don't know. I'm not dating a YouTube employee. But based on my own analytics of over 20 million long-form impressions, it's both easier and more fun to make a 4-minute video than it is to make a 8-minute video. And those 4-minute videos, they blew up for me. So my advice, experiment and upload 4 to 5 minute videos for some time. Look at your data and then decide. But don't just decide based on the view counts. Listen closely. Because making this video took me just 2 hours. But it got me 1.2 million views. Of course, a big reason are my high retention intros, as you can see. More about that in a minute. But this may raise a question in you. How do I make average view percentage videos of 40% every day, effortlessly? Well, comment the word workflow below and I will send you how my workflow looks like with examples and even a checklist for yourself or your video editor to copy. It's free, just like my free thumbnail pack with templates to create thumbnails like this, and this in minutes. For free. Now what's not free is my method to get intros like this with over 73% still watching at 30 seconds. An average view percentage of 50%. Because I use this tool to find the best intro to make based on data for long form videos. Now I use it to every day and I highly recommend it, even though I hate paying for subscriptions. Just don't film hooks without some sort of data feedback loop. Because you could go from a 45% average view percentage to 25%. And if you don't like these subscription software tools, like me, then just get my free Google Sheet with over 70 free YouTube tools that I use, not a sponsor, not affiliated, just free tools that help me grow my business to over $5 million in revenue. And also the 50 plus people that I've hired. But 1 million viewed videos like mine are nice. Yet if there was one thing that I wish someone told me before I blew up, it is this setting. I explain why I lost a lot of views and money by not knowing it sooner in this video. See you there or not. Talk soon.